Hello, I'm on a 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander, and today I'm going to show you how to add windshield wiper fluid. So first you open the hood, and then here you should see your wiper fluid reservoir, which you pop this open. This neck runs down to a bigger reservoir underneath. But with your wiper fluid jug or with the funnel, just fill as needed. You can fill pretty close to the top if you'd like. When you're done, just pop this closed again. And once it's full, that's the easiest time to check for any leaks through the lines or the reservoir, because once it's full, you typically start to see some windshield wiper fluid puddling under the vehicle if there is a leak. And you can kind of see here there's that bigger reservoir underneath. But yeah, hopefully no leaks or anything like that for you. But I hope this video was helpful. And yeah, and then sometimes you might get leaks even where this neck meets the main reservoir. Something to check. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.